First impressions is the weight's quite nice.
Yeah.
It's quite nice, and it's quite nice with that against your finger there rather than it
soft
rubbing
grip.
against the steel.
Yeah.
The handle feels good. The consistency of the weight feels good.
And that's the 10-inch London Narrow you have there.
Can I have a go at laying some brick?
Of course you can.
See, it feels nice with the mortar on top of that as well.
Yeah.
Even the spread, the shape of the trowel feels quite nice. But the scraping off feels like it's quite a nice shape. Yeah, and the tapping it down feels quite weighted as well. I'm going to have to have another go. Balance feels good. Balance feels good. We'll have a go at buttering a brick up as well. Yeah, even that feels like it's quite well shaped.
You'd be comfortable using that?
Yeah, 100%.
Going on site and using that?
100%, yeah.